Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be making another seascape with soft pastels. On the sheet I have already put the masking tape according to desired dimensions. I'm starting coloring the sheet from the top part and I'm using a dark shade of blue. We will be creating a sunset scene here, so we will be proceeding from dark to light shades of blue as we move downwards. So as you can see, our next shade is here and it is a little brighter kind of blue. Then we had a cerulean blue, a shade of purple and some yellow and some pink towards the lower side for the sunset. I have started blending using my fingers from the top part. Just rub your finger against the surface so that the powder sets equally to the sheet. I'm blending from top to bottom side, and the dark powder is coming along with my hands to the lighter part and creating a smooth gradient. Make sure you rub your fingers against the tape edges as well so as to get clean edges. While blending the sunset side, that is the pink and yellow side, I changed my finger since I do not want the dark blue pigments to get on the lighter side. I repeated colors since the first coat was not enough. I added a strip of black powder on top so as to make it a little darker, and with orange shade here I'm making some clouds with the help of the edge of the stick so as to get thinner strokes. And for lightly blending the clouds, I'm just brushing over it with my last finger. Added a tinge of red to the clouds, and for the clouds on the blue part, I'm furthermore using lighter shades of blue. While making the clouds on the blue part, I had to apply a lot of pressure on the lighter blues so as to get the pigment right on the sheet. When you're applying pressure on the stick, apply it at the front end of the stick, or else there may be a chance that your stick may break. I also added some white and blended them with light pushing. You can also tap on the surface so that the powder sets to the paper. Now I have started with the seascape. Our sea has to be a gradient between a charcoal black kind of shade and ranging towards shades of grey. So I'm here starting with a dark shade of grey first. My borders of the sea have to be dark, and as we move inwards, it can become lighter. As you can see, I blended the corners which had the most of the pigment, and towards the inner side, I just handed a little light shade of pigment. As I told earlier, the borders have to be darker and the center side can be lighter. I also added some black and blue for a more sea-like effect. Now I added some rocks on the sea using different shades of brown, and I tapped on them and made sure that the powder sets on the paper. I also added a light shade of yellow towards the far end of the sea for the reflections, and for the land area I added various shades of brown. I'll also be adding some black towards the right corner since the corners have to be dark. Peel the masking tape off after dusting the paper. You can dust your paper by tapping it against a surface so that the extra powder falls out. Here you are with your aesthetic seascape with soft pastels. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.